So the next first aid kit we have is a pretty decent size. It's smaller than the first one that we checked out, but this one here is from SurviveX. And you do have here patch straps or somewhere to put your patches. You do have a front zipper as well if something is actually able to fit inside there, which is pretty difficult just because it's so tight. On the back, you have two of these as well in case you want to strap it onto your backpack. Now, if you go ahead and open it up, what I really appreciate about this is, again, coming from the point of view of someone who doesn't know what they're doing when it comes to first aid, you are met with a really nice organized way to understand what you need. So here you have cleaning wipes, here you have this is good for minor wounds. Over here, this is good for wound care, cotton gauze, swabs, clean and protect. In addition to that, you also have over here personal, tweezers, pins, shears. So they do a very nice job of actually labeling the stuff. And I also do believe that this also comes with a first aid kit guide in case you want to go ahead and kind of learn what to do and what each of these items are used for. They do include a SurviveX survival first aid kit guide. But overall, I'd say that for someone, let's say I pulled out a first aid kit for the very first time and I didn't know what I was doing. If I came across this, I think this would be a good beginner starter first aid kit guide. And in addition to that, it's also not very heavy. I mean, it's still a pretty decent sized bulk, but for being a backpacking first aid kit, I can definitely imagine carrying this around. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one.